Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, applying, and reviewing a set of press-on nails from Lacquer. If you've been a viewer of this channel for any amount of time, you know that I'm not a huge fan of nail stickers, press-ons, or anything of the sort. But since we've been doing so much renovation work around our house, I've been keeping my nails super short and I've really been missing my claws. My nails are actually quite strong and overall in good shape, but the length is really not there. With all the holiday festivities approaching, I figured this would be a perfect time to try these out. Today, I'm going to be using the Blush Petals set from Lacquer. It comes with 24 reusable mauve colored nails that claim to be no fuss. It also comes with everything you'll need to apply them. Beneath the front set are step-by-step instructions, a small nail file, a set of glue tabs, an assortment of nails in various sizes, an orange stick, and a bottle of glue. The first thing I'm going to do is dump the nails onto my table here and begin separating them by size to make it easier for me to find the best fit. Behind each nail on the tip is a number. The numbers range from 0 to 9, 0 being the largest, 9 being the smallest, and it's really helpful for getting them all in order. Once I have all the nails in size order, I'm going to eliminate anything that is way too large or way too small, and then start to try them on. You want to make sure that the fake nails fit as naturally as possible. You don't want them to overflow onto the skin. You also don't want them to expose too much of your natural nail underneath. So take your time with this process and know that you can always file down the edges for a more seamless fit if you have to. After you've selected your lineup, you're going to grab the application tools. I'm not going to use the glue tabs today because those are better suited for temporary wear and I want this mani to last a little bit longer. Using the stick, gently push your cuticles back to create a nice landing spot for the base of the nail. Then with the file, lightly scuff up the perimeter of your natural nail. I do this when I DIY my own gel manicures too, and it's the best way to ensure a manicure will last without doing too much damage to the nails. Once the nails are prepared, I'm going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and this small brush to dehydrate my nails. This is an optional step, but it helps make sure the nails are clean, dry, and free of any debris or residue. You can also do this with 100% acetone. After that, grab your glue and your first nail. I'm starting with the pinky because I find it easiest to work smallest to largest. You're going to apply the glue to the portion of the fake nail that will be covering your natural nail. You don't want it to be gloopy, but you do want it to be generous. Once it's covered, gently slide the nail down beneath the cuticle, press and hold it in place for at least 6 seconds. Apply a little bit of pressure to the entire nail so that there are no air pockets or loose edges. Once it's set, lift to reveal your perfectly applied nail. It should feel 100% secure. From here, you're going to repeat this step on every other nail. Now, gluing anything to your nails isn't the best way to keep them healthy and strong, but it's not the worst thing for them. I normally don't care for the feeling of anything fake on my nails, and I prefer to grow out my own, but this is a fun option once in a while. A common misconception is that gel, dip, press-ons, or nail stickers destroy your natural nails, and that's simply not true. Improper preparation and harsh removal will do more damage than anything else. The products themselves aren't harmful, but the way that we put them on and take them off can be. When I finished applying all the nails to this hand, I went and did my other, and I have to say, I was totally impressed. I used one of my larger files to reshape them just a little bit, and then of course applied my sweet almond cuticle oil, which is the perfect finishing touch to any manicure. Overall, these press-ons were so easy to use and look very natural. There are a couple of nails that stick out to me. The middle fingers were a little tricky, but I will try to perfect them next time. This was the best pick-me-up, and I have to admit, I'm low-key obsessed. I really wanted to document the wear time so I could properly report back to you, and over the next few days, I washed my hair,
made pizzas, baked Christmas cookies, did laundry, washed dishes, cleaned the house, wrapped presents,
and they held up great. They didn't snag my hair once or get stuck on my clothes at all, and after 3 days, you can see that they were still perfectly intact. On day 4, my index fingernail popped right off. I don't know when or how, but I noticed it was missing, and luckily I found it on the floor. I could have easily added more glue and popped it back on, but I was planning to take them off later in the day. But you can see here that the nail had virtually no damage whatsoever. I am going to film a removal video, which will be up soon, but first impressions were great. I'm really happy with the Lacquer press-ons. I liked this color a lot, but I am curious if the lighter shades or the French sets would look differently when applied. Darker nails hide anything that may be funky beneath them, so the light or sheer ones may expose glue marks or bubbles, but this set and this experience gets a really positive report from me. I will definitely be using these again in the very near future. You can shop this set and all of the others at lightslacquer.com. I'll leave some links below, and you can always use my code Amanda at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if there are any other press-ons that you think I should try. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.